Can you start again?
Yeah, this is natural herbal medicine and spice garden.
Okay.
We produce medicine, madam, herbal medicine. Now very popular Europe countries and Asian.
Ayurveda.
Ayurveda.
Yes, yes.
Ayu mean life, Veda mean knowledge of science. Okay? Here. I'll explain you this plant first, madam. Here. You see this one. We call in green caladium. We use this root for medicine for skin problem. You know psoriasis, dermatitis, eczema, rashes, and scabies also good this one. Because wash nicely affected area, oil apply this one. Understand? Woman? Understand?
Yes, yes.
Right.
The skin good for
Yes, skin problem. This is rampa. Our people use this biryani, yellow rice. Also, you can use this one. Yeah. This is good smell. We have powder this. Okay. Just smell this. This is. Okay. This is.
rampa.
Yeah. Now, madam, you can see bamboo, very fastest growing plant in the world. This is. In Sri Lanka, you can see 7 varieties of bamboos. Yellow one, green one, red one, and a small one. But I want to tell you this here. Follow this. We use this is small. This one is proud for medicine. This one. You know, madam, this legs, the varicose vein problem.
Yes, yes.
Is
Very
varicose vein. In Europe countries, they operate this problem. But you don't want to operate. You take this oil, mix it balm, and apply like this from down to up.
okay.
Before you go to bed,
You extract oil.
oil, mix it balm and apply like this. Okay, upward. Right. Here, now you can see pineapple, ananas. One plant, one fruit. In Sri Lanka, you can see 2 kind of pineapple. One is long one. Okay, that one we call in murisi. But this one is small one. Here, wild pineapple. This is only for medicine. This one you can eat, but we use this for medicine. Medicine, you know, this fatness problem, weights problem. This is yes.
So we have to buy this.
Only thing you should take this early morning before breakfast. Wash your mouth and take
oil?
This no syrup.
I see.
I'll show you there. And drink, sir. There's more people asking this item.
And
This
how
very-
many kilograms you can
About
throw
madam 5 kilos.
per month?
Yes, 1 month. 5,
good.
6 kilos. Okay. This
So
30
you only drink in the morning? and
morning,
then-
early morning. Don't before breakfast. Okay. Wash your mouth and drink. Okay.
One
this-
spoon,
One teaspoon enough. Okay.
5 kilograms.
This is 1 month course. Some people they are taking 2 course. After that long time, you don't want to get. Here, this is madam we call it. This is big plant is there. This is we calling curry leaves. Very famous in Sri Lankan cooking. Here, this one.
Yeah, we know.
This. We have powder this one, sir. Here. You
Chicken
can
curry.
yes, chicken curry also. නෑ ආතුලට ඇවිල් නිකන් උන් වැඩක් නෑ මේ. Here madam, this is madam Caribbean ginger. This is very good medicine for cholesterol and high blood pressure. It cuts down extra cholesterol level. Yes, this will
Cholesterol?
cholesterol and high blood pressure. This is. It cuts down extra cholesterol level, LDL problem. This is good medicine for that. If you have any problem, you tell me, madam. Okay. This is this Ayurvedic medicine, madam, not like chemical medicine. I am not underestimated chemical medicine. Chemical medicine good, but it comes again. But this one completely cure. Only thing we have to continue little
So
bit time.
5 kilos will not come
Yes,
back.
well, 5 kilos, then you 2 kilos, you take 2 course. After that, good result.
Never come back.
I never come back. You never come back. Never come back. You don't eat too much.
Навсегда,
You
если
take,
хочешь
okay?
похудеть.
Now, if you want to reduce this one, Not here, full body. Okay? Yes. Right?
Я никогда больше не буду. But can you eat a lot?
Okay, it's no problem. Here. Appetite problem, there is a good medicine here for appetite. This is cinnamon tree, madam. This is big tree. Here, you see.
But you
But
don't,
not
you make
harvested.
curry with this?
This
or
is-
with that?
Which one?
Curry.
Curry, that one. Yes,
Ah,
this
not
one bark. This one also good smell. You can use for curry.
Mm.
Bark in the pharmacy you can see this. But this one big tree, no, you can't remove this bark. Here is small one is there. There is a special knife also to remove this bark. Dry well, it becomes brown color. Here, we extract this oil, cinnamon oil.
We know, we know.
This is good for tinnitus problem, toothache, and bad mouth smell also good here. You just smell this. This is strong, pure one. But don't put inside. One drop you take pure cotton wool, put inside here. Okay, little bit apply here. Toothache also same. One drop keep inside cavity of the tooth. Mix little bit water and wash your mouth. Good. Bad mouth smell also good. Now I want to explain you this item also. We call in hair remover cream. They know some ladies they don't like growing hair, come in here and here also. Okay. Now madam, this is a little bit apply and show you. But you have to wait 10 minutes. Then you rub no hair. But you 15 times apply. Today Sunday, next Sunday. Once a week apply 15 times. After that long time not growing fast. That's all. If you prefer, I little bit apply and show you.
Okay.
Okay? Right.
Почему нет?
Yes, good. Good result, madam. If you want, I will apply and show you here.
Окей. Мимоза.
Here. Mimosa. This is, if you touch
Which
this
one?
sleepy. You see. Here, all going down. Here. Now, if you touch this,
Нифига себе.
okay.
Закрывается.
Right. Nicely touch it here. Okay. You know,
Why?
yes. Again, after 10-15 minutes later, it will come back again. This is good medicine for sleeplessness problem and snoring trouble also.
О, snoring trouble.
Okay, snore. Put oil here, only time. Okay, you can sleep well. No snoring problem.
A lot of oil?
Oil, yes. This one oil, put here.
A lot? Much?
No, half a teaspoon oil you put here. Okay. You don't know to take sleeping tablets and chemical thing. This is good. Okay. Right. Here.
Yes,
Now
yeah.
you can see, madam, pepper. You know this one? Pepper powder. You know only pepper powder.
Powder.
Yes, this is pepper. At first you see, this is green one. But it is well ripe, red color. Then you have to wash the red skin and dry. It becomes white pepper. With the skin, if you dry this, it becomes black pepper. Black pepper is hot, white pepper is mild. So, we use this pepper root also medicine. We produce herbal wine, but non-alcohol. Good for asthma, anemia, urinary trouble, appetite problem, kidney problem also good. Here, aloe vera. We make sun lotion, against sunburn, sun blister.
Aloe işte.
This item also we use for losing weight. This is.
Они все- Ah, this is good smell.
Yes, this one also.
Да,
is
знаешь,
good.
ничего.
Yes. Right?
Aloe.
This is cinnamon
Aloe.
tree. Aloe.
Ah, this is aloe.
Yes,
yeah,
aloe.
we have it in our country.
This is, madam, we have gel also here. This one. Here. Here. You can.
Yeah, we have it in our country.
Yes,
Да.
here.
Ох,
You
нифига
can
себе.
apply. Here, apply here. Also good, madam. Please apply. And apply, okay. No problem. Very cool, we have this one. Good. Sunburn.
Sunburn?
We have cream. Cream also you can apply. This is wild margosa.
И мозг закрывается, оказывается.
Here, this is madam most valuable item. We call in this Ixora. This tree we call him muddy tear. Here, this tree. This both item include we produce some medicine called in red oil. Again, arthritis, joint pain, muscular pain, back pain, okay, knee pain.
Ixora?
Ixora, water collecting in the knee. When you are walking, sound coming from joint. All this is good. If you have any problem, you
I have
tell
a
me,
problem.
I'll apply and show you.
Where's the
to
problem?
Back problem. Okay.
No.
Knee problem,
Knee.
right. This best, okay.
And back
Oh
as well.
yes, back also you can apply. Anywhere you
This
can
oil?
Oil mixed with balm oil, red oil. We call it red oil. Okay. You can keep this item 4-5 years, no problem. But don't keep in the fridge. You keep in warm place. Okay. Right. Now you can see, madam, here the vanilla. Vanilla. West vanilla cream. Okay. In March, April, you can see flowers. Then you have to pollinate it. Big plantation sometimes pollinate by bees, but here we are doing by hand. We use this for ice cream, pudding, cake, and spice tea also. Here.
Good.
Good. This is pure one. Okay.
Beautiful.
Right. Here,
It's like,
this is madam, sandalwood.
Baileys.
This is white
Makes
sandalwood.
sense.
This is, you know, in England and Germany, calling oil of pule this one. Very expensive, but here.
Oil of Elaine.
But this one good for the
Непонятно.
good for cellulite, dry skin wrinkle, pigmentation, acne, black color under the eyes. After childbirth getting wrinkle, whole body you can apply, but you should mix this sandalwood cream because this is very thick. This one here. 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 This is pure one. This is. You can apply here.
And the eyes?
Yes. Yes. Now, madam, this is normal drink.
И прошел на
This
джизе.
is mimosa also. Here. This is. Now you can touch it, you can take. Here. Nicely touch it. Ah,
Very good.
yes.
You
This is
can
madam,
still
nutmeg plant, nutmeg. Only for medicine and cooking. Here you see this item. This is, we call in well penela. This is very bitter taste. Okay. Bitter thing good for the body. We use this for only for sexual energy. You know the Viagra very famous in the world. Viagra is chemical. Most people died using Viagra getting side effect. This is natural one. Sri Lanka. Okay. No side. Both can drink this.
No problem with
No
this.
problem. Right. Good. But I explain now. Okay. This is madam citronella. Only for mosquito bite and other small insect bite. Here. This
Кстати, одинаковый запах.
you apply and go. No close insect. No bite. After bite you apply, all poison running out. Now here, this is that item also, most valuable item, asparagus. There are several asparagus in the world, but this one, herbal one. We produce some medicine called in green oil. Again, migraine, sinus, keta, and hangover. If you have hangover, you tell me within 5 minutes it will be over, no problem. But you know, madam, migraine, severe headache. It start early in the morning, sometimes in the night. You put oil here, apply 3 times, you can see all the dry phlegm here running out. You leave it to go no 5. Okay.
Горячий, да?
Yes. Yes.
Возьмешь все это? Давай, Вася.
Right. Sorry. No. Okay. This is good for stomach. Spice tea. Here. Now you can see cocoa, chocolate. Here.
Шоколад.
Какао.
Yeah, this is king coconut. We produce king coconut oil. good for the loose in here. Then it's big in here. Here, cocoa on it. Red cocoa.
You make chocolate?
Yes, madam, this chocolate also. Because madam, ripen we can't keep. It's squirrel, it's small animal. Come in and eat this seed.
Белки съедают.
Here this one. You have to dry this one and roast it and make into powder.
So you make
Yes,
chocolate?
you make chocolate also. Yes, okay. This is red one. Here the heliconia flower. If you want, you can take a photo. This is after bloom. This flower long time remain like this, madam. Okay. No smell, I think, madam. This
No
is
smell.
only for decoration. Festival time we use this one. This is white one. Here.
Смотри, из бутылок что сделали.
This is green one. Well ripe yellow color.
What is it? Chocolate?
Chocolate, yes.
White chocolate?
Yeah, chocolate. That is, you can see there green bamboo. If you want to see from this side. Oh, very close to the problem. All this